Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a returning viewer, thank you as well. No shave video today, but I am going to be doing an unboxing, and I greatly appreciate this. Ian is a viewer of my channel, and there was a shave video that I was talking about a soap, and he was like, I'd be interested in trying that out. And you know, one of those things about some places sell samples and some places don't. And for me, it's hard to kind of justify if there's just one sample that I want to buy and it might only be a couple bucks. I don't want to pay like $8 for shipping for one sample. So I usually hold out, and if it's a limited release, well, I just might miss it. And so I said, hey, Ian, if you would like a sample, I'll send it to you. And I just sent him the whole advent calendar sample because I had a full tub of it, and I figured, why not? So anyway, he was very grateful of that, and in return, he sent me this box, and I'm going to open it for you guys today. Got my trusty everyday carry knife here that needs to be sharpened. I said that multiple times. And one of the things I did notice about this box, and I do this a lot when I send stuff out. When I get a box from whoever, I usually try to reuse it, and I thought it was kind of neat that I got the same box that I sent his sample. So here we go. Let's open it up here, take a look. Very curious to see. Spoiler alert, he did send me a picture, but you know how things are when you look at a picture. It's just much more beautiful in real life. And so here we go. It's nice and packaged well. Now this is pretty unique, and I have never had the chance to open one of these up. To me, this looks like a sword handle off of a katana, and there's this little bow tie, I'm assuming, to open it up. And if it's not, well, shame on me, because I just undid it. And maybe I'm supposed to just, no, I think I need to open it the rest of the way. Hey, this is the first time for me. Very cool design here. And it's like Christmas morning, and I just can't wait to get it open. You know, things like this just takes a little bit of extra time, and it just makes the experience that much more special. All right, here we go. We're going to open it up, and look at this. That is such a nice presentation. So Ian makes these soap scoops, and I don't know if you can see it here. There we go. You can kind of see this etching design, very unique. And then this one has the wrapped handle. Now I'll put a couple pictures right here as I'm talking, because he does offer a few different options for these. And so like I'll probably get these out of order. No, I won't, because I have a note over here. So the first one is going to be the katana version, and then there is the broadsword, which I'd call a Zelda sword. And then there's the chopper. And then there's variations among these, which you can either have a resin handle or a wrapped handle. And typically, so this particular one doesn't fall into any of those categories, because he didn't know I was going to do a video on it. So, yeah, so this particular one is kind of prototype or a new version. Sometimes they'll come with a little lanyard or carabiner, and this one he decided he was going to put a magnet inside the handle here, and then he sent you a magnet to apply to wherever you're going to hang this. And then so you know, imagine I had it on my shelf here, it would just stick and I could pull it off at any time, and that's pretty cool. Man, I don't know if I can. There you go. Look at that pattern. That's pretty cool. Now he does make these, you know, they're kind of a custom order sort of thing, or he just makes them and then sells them, but he doesn't have an Etsy site. So there's really no way to just go and pick one out and purchase it. So if you're wanting to buy something like this or similar, you're going to need to contact him on Instagram, and I'll put a little link in the description box below. And so you can contact him and talk to him about the design you want or whatever. And that way it makes it more personable. And it's for you, you know, it's not just somebody making random stuff and then you just picking one out. And I really like that. I kind of can't wait to try this out, and I'm going to be needing a shave here soon. So I may just do, I don't know if I'm going to do a video with this on Sunday, or maybe I'll have to do it a little bit quicker. But thank you very much, Ian. I really appreciate this. And I don't know if I mentioned this already because I've had a couple bloopers, but he's got a YouTube channel. I don't think there's any videos on it, but it's Last Shadow. So if you see any of his comments, he is the maker of these awesome soap scoops. And wow, I'm just kind of blown away by the beauty of this. And like I said, pictures and videos just won't do any justice for the kind of detail that goes into such a thing. And one other thing I'm going to mention real quick, and then that's going to be it for the video, is he just kind of does this as a hobby. So if you do contact him, don't expect, you know, I'm speaking from my own words here, but he does this as a hobby for fun. And so, you know, when you're getting something custom, probably don't expect to get it in a couple days, because I can only imagine the amount of time that it takes to go into creating a blade and etching it and wrapping it and doing all that stuff. And so there's a lot of time and love involved in something like this. And though everyone wants to make tons of money, I hope that he doesn't get overwhelmed with numerous orders and makes his hobby or enjoyment become work, because, you know, once that happens, the fun kind of goes out the window. But anyway, thank you again, Ian. Like I said, I'll put a link to everything that I talked about in the description below. And I'd like to say thank you to everyone that's watched, and I'll see you on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.